Hi, my name is Jim O'Connor from EMC's Backup and Recovery Systems Division. I'm here today to talk to you about the disk library for mainframe, newest member of the DLM family, called the DLm8000. What makes the DLm8000 so different from our other models? Primarily, it's the storage backend we employ, and that is VMAX Enterprise Storage. EMC's disk library for mainframe is the highest performing mainframe virtual tape library and is over twice as fast as our closest competitor. The DLM supports multiple backends, and all of our DLM members offer asynchronous replication to a DR site. We also have a feature called guaranteed replication, which makes sure that the data is in the recovery site before it's considered complete. So with async replication, we typically have data at the recovery site within a few minutes. And that satisfies most people. And this is a huge improvement over physical tape, where before you'd have to have your RPO on Saturday night, run a full backup, hand your data over to a third-party records management company, hope they don't lose it, and put your company in jeopardy. And your RTO was measured in days by the time you get the tape files to your recovery site and actually do a recovery process. The DLM allows people to set RPOs and RTOs based on companies' needs and SLAs, not on the limitation of their equipment that I just described. For some environments, more than async replication is required. And these are usually companies that are the large financial institutions with very high transaction volumes, and they need a near zero RTO. Downtime equals money, or maybe because of government requirements that says you must be back up and processing within X number of minutes. One of our customers processes over 4 billion transactions a day. That's about 51,000 a second. So what's changed? VMAX with SRDF synchronous is the game changer. That coupled with the DLM architecture, where the VTEs provide the mainframe connectivity and the tape emulation, and this is separate from the storage backend. So this gives us a great degree of flexibility on what storage we can use within the DLM architecture. So the DLm8000 leverages the robustness of VMAX storage, and SRDF delivers true synchronous replication. This is synchronous down to the I/O level. I talked before about guaranteed replication. That's what most of our customers call synchronous. But the DLm8000 is the only virtual tape library that does true synchronous replication. A lot of these companies will have a VMAX for their ECKD architecture running their online transaction processing, and SRDF is used to get the data synchronously to the recovery site. So now that you have that, you have confidence that the data is consistent in both locations. And again, providing a near zero RTO. Now, customers can add the DLm8000 with VMAX to provide that level of consistency on their tape data. Now that both your OLTP data and your tape data are on VMAX, and they're both being synchronously replicated to your DR site, there is no question as to the accuracy and the consistency of the data between the two sites. Recovery can commence immediately. You don't have to wait, like in an async replication, to reconcile the differences between the two sites or physical tapes mounting all the tapes. And the results are very predictable. One of our customers using this technology today has stated to me that the results they've realized is beyond their wildest expectations. They could not remember the last time they had an unplanned outage. Admittedly, this technology, the VMAX tape data this technology is not for everybody. But if you need this level of recoverability and data consistency, either set by internal requirements or government, the DLm8000 with VMAX storage offers the ultimate and universal data consistency and recoverability. For more information on the disk library for mainframe, please go to emc.com and under the products section, click on disk library for mainframe. Thank you.